Hello guys, welcome back on MeltflexAI. This is a platform for interior designers as well as architects or anybody who is just a homeowner and wants to redesign his own space. Imagine the situation, you want to buy furniture from IKEA, but you are not sure how it actually look inside your living room. So all you have to do is just take a photo of the living room. Let's upload it right here. I just found something on the internet which can look something like this. And right now we will need to find furniture on IKEA to actually put inside here. So for example, if we are not satisfied with the look of the chair, so let's find chair, IKEA, and let's find some IKEA chairs that could fit our room. For example, this one, yeah? So let's accept the cookies, and all you have to do is you just take a screenshot of the chair itself, and let's say change the chair for this one. And let's try two different variations on how it could actually look after it changes the chair. And like this, we will do one by one furniture from IKEA and paste it inside the MeltflexAI, inside this photo of our living room. We'll actually see the space. You can also do the same with your own living room or your own space and the furniture that you actually want to put inside the space. If you're not sure how it could actually look after the renovation. And also the other thing is you don't have to spend thousands of bucks for interior designers because you can do it pretty easily like this. So for example, with the chair that we shown, we have it right here pictured in our living room. Let's move forward. Let's find some, let's say, IKEA small table, yeah, that we could actually put before the sofa, yeah. So yeah, let's find some side table and let's say I like this is their most iconic one, but let's say we want just this small one, so it will matches with the blue chair. So and right now we don't want to be like change the side table and change it to this one. We can actually select the side table that we want to change. So let's pick the table that we want to exchange for the new one, and let's say change the table in selected area for this new one. And let's try again two generations. And one by one, we will actually design the room. Let's also find the sofa. So let's find the sofa. And let's say, for example, we want this. Let's take a screenshot of the sofa. Let's wait so you can actually see it changed the small table for this one. And right now, let's just say change the sofa to this one. Let's say bed generation. So we actually can right now see the chair that we exchanged from IKEA inside the living room. We can also see the side table, and we will soon also see the sofa exchanged. If we, for example, want to change the wardrobe, the lamps, anything else, we could do it pretty easily. Just naturally write what you want to change, and MeltflexAI will do it for you. So here you can see redesign space, and we spent exactly €0 for architect, and we redesign the whole space. You can also say make the walls basic white and also minimalistic, also fireplace and windows, yeah, so you can actually get the vibe of the space like a normal space, yeah, not the grandma style space, yeah, not the old school. So we wait another 20 seconds and we will see the whole space redesigned. And this was with the renovation by IKEA. And if you have, for example, Amazon, Wayfair or anything, you can do it pretty easily. So here you see the whole space change. All the furniture that we put in was from IKEA. You actually saw it and you can do it pretty easily with your own room. This was the one that we start with and you can actually see the big difference. This is the one that we actually finished. Real products from real retailers, and it's pretty easy. MeltflexAI has one free generation, so you can actually try it out for free. And if you're satisfied with the look of it, you can actually upgrade and you can redesign your whole flat like this. Also, if you're interior designer or architect, you can do it this way with your clients. Have a nice day. Bye.